How to make an Aquarius man fall in love with Taurus woman. Understanding how to make an Aquarius man fall in love with Taurus woman involves blending two very different personalities. Aquarius men are independent, intellectual, and love freedom. Taurus women are grounded, loyal, and value stability. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. This guide offers 10 practical tips to bridge the gap and foster genuine connection. 1. Stimulate his mind. Aquarius men love deep conversations. Show curiosity about his ideas and share yours. 2. Respect his independence, don't be clingy. Give him space to be himself. 3. Be patient with his quirks, his unusual habits are part of his charm. Accept them without judgment. 4. Stay open to change. Aquarius men embrace new experiences. Show willingness to explore and adapt. 5. Support his causes, join or encourage his humanitarian interests to deepen your bond. 6. Balance emotions, be warm but allow him room to express feelings in his own way. 7. Give him freedom, avoid control. Trust is essential for him to open up. 8. Show loyalty, be reliable and consistent, he values this in a partner. 9. Use unique romantic gestures, surprise him with thoughtful, unconventional acts. 10. Appreciate differences, celebrate how your grounded nature complements his free spirit. By embracing these approaches, a Taurus woman can capture an Aquarius man's heart with understanding, respect, and genuine connection. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.